Understanding intellectual property and ISF, protecting your imports. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the topic of intellectual property and how it relates to the importer security filing (ISF) process. As customs brokers, it's important for us to understand the intricacies of customs regulations and how they apply to various aspects of international trade. So, let's get started. First, let's briefly explain what the importer security filing (ISF) is. The ISF is a requirement by U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) for all cargo shipments entering the United States by ocean vessel. It consists of detailed information about the cargo, the shipper, and the consignee, among other things. This filing must be done at least 24 hours before the goods are loaded onto the vessel overseas. Now, let's delve into intellectual property (IP) and how it ties in with the ISF process. Intellectual property includes patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. These rights are protected by law and grant exclusive rights to the owner to use or sell their creations. When it comes to imports, protecting intellectual property becomes crucial. Intellectual property infringement can occur when counterfeit or pirated goods are imported into a country without the authorization of the IP rights holder. With the rise of e-commerce and global trade, the risk of IP infringement has become a significant concern. This is where the ISF process plays a role. The CBP has implemented a system of targeting procedures to identify and prevent the importation of counterfeit or pirated goods. Based on the information provided in the ISF, the CBP can assess the risk associated with a particular shipment. If there are indications of possible intellectual property infringement, the CBP can take appropriate action to detain and potentially seize the goods. Now, let's talk specifically about ISF. ISF is a service offered by customs brokers like us to help importers ensure that their goods are not delayed at the border due to an ISF violation. By expediting the ISF process, we can help importers meet the deadlines set by the CBP and avoid penalties or additional inspections. There are several benefits to using ISF services. Firstly, it allows importers to comply with the CBP requirements in a timely manner, reducing the risk of delays or penalties. Secondly, it provides importers with peace of mind knowing that their shipments are being handled by professionals who understand the intricacies of the ISF process and can navigate any potential issues. Lastly, it enables importers to focus on their core business activities, knowing that the customs brokerage aspect is being taken care of efficiently. Another important aspect to consider when importing goods is the customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee required by the CBP to ensure that all duties, taxes, and fees associated with an import are paid. It acts as protection for the government in case the importer fails to meet their obligations. Customs brokers can assist importers in obtaining the necessary customs bond. So, why should importers consider using a customs broker for their ISF and customs bond needs? Firstly, customs brokers have extensive knowledge and expertise in navigating the complex customs regulations, ensuring compliance and avoiding costly mistakes. Secondly, they have established relationships with the CBP and other government agencies, which can help expedite the clearance process. Lastly, customs brokers can provide valuable advice and guidance to importers, helping them optimize their supply chain and reduce costs. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into intellectual property, the ISF process, and the importance of customs brokerage and customs bonds. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos where we explore various topics related to international trade. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us again soon.